Okay, so today we're going to focus on the present progressive tense and the past progressive tense. So we're on page 128 and 129 in your English textbook. It is Monday, April the 27th. And there are two different kinds of progressive tenses. The first one is the present progressive. It tells of an action that's happening now. And remember, when I'm writing, you're taking notes inside of your English composition notebook, and you can write them in print or cursive, whichever one works the best for you to be able to remember. It is formed with am, is, or are. So you use am, is, or are, and the present participle. You also have the past progressive. And this tells about an action that was happening over a period of time in the past. For this one, you are going to use was or were and the present participle. Whoops. So both of them are going to use the present participle. The only difference is that you are going to have a different helping with it. Either am, is, or are if it's present, was or were if it's past. So let's look at the examples that are in your book on page 128. You should have your book out and with you. If not, pause the video, come back to it when you have it. But it says Lucy is brushing her teeth. That's in present progressive because you have the is brushing. And remember, your ing ending is your present participle, and then you have that, whoops, not underlining her, is brushing her teeth, excuse me for that. And then this would be your present progressive. And now your past, Lucy was brushing her teeth. And the sentence goes on a little bit more and says, when her dad shouted, hurry up. So that's something that was happening over a period of time in the past. So which sentences are in a progressive tense? In your book, it shows you the examples. Marcus brushes his teeth after dinner. He is plugging in his electric toothbrush. Marcus was searching for his cinnamon-flavored toothpaste this morning. So B and C both have in the progressive tenses, one is in the past progressive and one is in the present progressive. So is plugging lets you know that that is in the present progressive, and was brushing lets you know that it is in the past progressive. So let's take a look at exercise 1. And make sure everyone's with me and has their composition notebooks. So on exercise 1, we're going to do this one together. Find the verb phrase in each sentence and tell whether the verb phrase is in the present progressive or the past progressive. So number 1, the sentence says, Felicity was flossing her teeth. Our phrase is was flossing, and that word was lets us know that it is in the past progressive. So I'm just going to write past progressive. Number 2, the dentist was examining my teeth. Was examining is my, be helpful if Mrs. Achiriali could spell today. Lets me know that that as well is in the past progressive. That word was gives me my hint. Number 3, the hygienists were cleaning. Again, if I'm using was or were, that is my past progressive. Number 4, he is polishing Jake's teeth. Is polishing. That lets me know that it is in the present progressive because I have that word is helping me. Number 5, she was taking x-rays. Was lets me know that this is in the past progressive. Number 6, Dr. Palazzo is telling me about tooth care. Is telling means it's happening right now. It is in the present progressive. Number 7, she was showing me how to brush. Means it happened in the past. Was showing, and that is past progressive. And number 8, are you taking good care of your teeth? And you can leave out that you, it's just are taking. And that would also be in the present progressive. You have your helping verb and your main verb in the present participle. Remember, present participle means ing ending. So you must have that ing ending on the main verb, and then am, is, are with your present participle, was, were with your present participle. It makes it either past or present progressive. So exercise 2, I'm going to leave you on your own for this. Exercise 2, it tells you to write the present progressive tense and the past progressive tense of each verb. Use the pronoun in parentheses as the subject. So let's take a look at number 1, and we can take a look at their example that they did too. The example is sleep, and the pronoun you're using is I. I am sleeping, I was sleeping. So on rinse, the pronoun is you. You are rinsing. You were rinsing. So you should have 2 columns, one for your present progressive and one for your past progressive. So I would make 2 columns for each one. You're going to do that for 2 through 8. Make sure you have the ing ending on your main verb. Make sure you have the correct helping verb. Am, is, are for the present, was, were for the past. Exercise 3, complete each sentence with the tense of the verb in parentheses. Make sure that you have your helping verb with it. So on exercise 3, number 1, my tooth blank me, and it has hurt, and it's in the past. So my tooth was hurting. You need to just write the verb phrase. You're going to continue doing that through number 10. All right, keep this with you, and we'll check it tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.